Being aware of yourself and your surroundings will help you increase your overall well-being. Once you gain awareness of something in your life, you're able to make decisions as to how you want to continue your outcome in this area. We're often so caught up in our day-to-day activities and events that we don't take the time to really dive into how we are doing. And we just keep moving forward with no intent or awareness that there could be a better way to increase our well-being. In today's podcast episode, I'm covering a few ways you can start being aware of your well-being in both your business and your personal life. You'll start to dig deeper to see how you handle different areas of your life and open up the possibilities of how you can work towards a life and business that's more in line with what you hope for in the future. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Taking the time to build awareness in your personal life and your business will increase your chances of becoming the successful individual and business owner you envision in your future. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created two options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. By increasing your awareness in your personal life, your career, or your business, you are able to make decisions as to how you want to move forward. You're able to see exactly how you're currently reacting or feeling about different areas in your life, and you're able to make decisions as to how you would like to advance in your future. Just like setting goals, you need to know where you're starting so that you can take steps to reach these goals. The same is true when you want to improve your life. You first need to know where you're starting, which means you need to become aware of how you're currently thinking and feeling so that you know exactly what you need to do in these situations so that you can develop a more positive well-being if you decide you want to make improvements. When you think about your life in general, how do you feel? What answer do you give when someone asks, "How are you doing?" Do you normally reply with good or fine? This seems to be our typical response, even when we know our day isn't going as well as we initially hoped. But today, I want you to really think about the questions I'm going to ask you. These questions are going to help you raise your awareness about how you are living your life. They will give you some deeper insight into your awareness and will allow you to start making decisions as to how you would like to continue moving forward with your future. You'll be able to start focusing on areas you want to improve, and it will let you know where you are and exactly where you want to be in other areas of your life. Be honest with yourself and see where you have room to grow and how you can create a more positive, happy, and joyful life for yourself. If you can, pause after each of the questions and really take some time to think about the question and write down your answers. The first question I want you to think about is, are you happy when you wake up in the morning? I don't necessarily mean are you satisfied with the time that you're getting up or the amount of sleep that you had. I want you to be truthful to yourself and ask yourself how you feel when you wake up in the morning. Are you happy when you wake up? If not, why? Are you happy with what you have going on for the day? What is causing you to be anything other than happy? Is there something you would like to change that would cause you to be happy? Next, I'd love to know, when was the last time you felt your happiest and most alive? What were you doing that caused you to be this happy? What is the reason you haven't felt this happy since this last time? How about the question, when was the last time you laughed so hard it made your stomach hurt? I love this question. They say laughter is the best medicine. So when was the last time you could honestly say your stomach hurt from laughing so hard? Why do you think you haven't laughed this hard since? Next, I want to ask you, what feels absent in your life right now? Why do you feel like it's missing? When, if ever, did you have it last in your life? What does this absence cause in your life? How often do you find yourself taking deep breaths? Why do you think you're doing this? How do you feel when you're taking these deep breaths? What is the main reason you find for yourself taking these deep breaths? Now, I want you to think about what you are doing in your life that is draining your energy. What are you doing that feels like it's depleting you of your energy? Why are you doing it? How often does it drain your energy? When you think about your typical day, which part of your day seems to be the most stressful? Why do you think it's the most stressful? How do you handle the stress? Next, I want to know what you see that's causing you stress right now in your life. Why is it causing you so much stress? When do you feel the most stressed? And how long has it caused you this stress? Now, let's focus on relaxation. When have you last felt peaceful or relaxed? What did you do to feel this way? Do you feel peaceful and relaxed as often as you would like? If not, why? And lastly, I'd like you to ask yourself if you believe you're living your life with a purpose. If so, what is that purpose? If not, why do you think you aren't living your life with a purpose? What's getting in the way of you living your life in this way? Now that you've answered these questions, what are you aware of? Is there anything in your life that you would like to see improved? How would you begin making these improvements? Make sure that you are strategic in setting goals to make these improvements over the next few days. If you're looking for a solution to build awareness, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching Program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen, cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized, and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. This is a new coaching program, and I'm opening it with special pricing for a limited time. The cost is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results, work less, and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. I made the final touches on the program, and it's now available for you. I know how much you wanted it. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities you have available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Or do you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself, why do you need this program in your life right now? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you become a thriving business owner while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.